Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Akanksha here. So following on the previous video, we had talked about Lainege's most recent launches on Nykaa. We talked about Laneige Cica Sleeping Mask. You'll get a link over here so you can go and check it out in case you're interested. Today we'll be talking about its final product, which is its Cream Skin Refiner. So we have quite a lot to talk in this video, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. So it is one of the most raved product in the Korean skincare. Let me introduce you about the product a bit more now. So this is how the product looks. On the packaging, it is mentioned like it is having a quantity of 150 ml. It is best suitable for dry and sensitive skin. And there is a mention of a unique ingredient, which is white tea leaf water. And on the back of the box, it is mentioned that it is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic tested. And it can work as a toner plus moisturizer as well, and it is fragrance and essential oils free. So let me just give you a few more details and on the unique ingredient, which is white tea leaf water. So Laneige has used an interesting system which converts a green tea leaf into white tea leaf. So by doing so, they have tried to extract the maximum amount of amino acid. So this way, the amino acid content in the product gets increased by 150%. And if you don't know, then amino acid is a skin protein which helps to bond the skin cells and thus kind of strengthens the skin barrier. Not only that, it helps to provide, make your skin look more supple and even kind of restores the hydration.
Let's have a look at the texture of the product. So if you see the bottle, then it has a really nice quality. So there is no issue related to leakage at all. And if you see the texture of the product, then it is really watery and it looks like milk. But if you spread it all over your skin, then it feels like it will take few seconds to get absorbed. So you need to wait for few seconds and then you are good to go. And just have a look how nice and glowy the skin looks.
So how does it work for all the skin types? So coming to the normal kind of skin people, then as this product is highly moisturizing, you would require this product based on your requirement. So if you have a day when you feel extremely dehydrated, then you can use it as a toner and then layer it up with a moisturizer. And if you feel that your skin doesn't need too much of hydration, then you can use it as a toner. Now coming to a oily or a combination kind of skin person, then as this is again extremely hydrating, then you can use it as a toner, but mostly you will be using this product during the cold weather. So during the monsoons or summer, it depends on your requirement only, but you will not require too much of this product for you. Now coming to a dry kind of skin person, then you can use it as a toner and then layer it up with a moisturizer. But if you still feel that your skin is still dry, then you can layer this product multiple times on your skin. To my experience with the product so far, so the product has a watery consistency and it is so hydrating that once you apply it all over your face, then you may find bit of stickiness on the face, so you need to keep it for a few more seconds and then it will get absorbed on your skin. So I am an oily and combination kind of skin person, So according to me, I feel that I'll be more inclined towards using this product during the winter season. During monsoons and summer, I'll kind of listen to my skin. If I'm feeling a bit dehydrated, then I'll definitely use this as a toner, and then based on my requirement. So there have also been times when I have applied this as a toner and directly skipped the moisturizer and directly moved to sunscreen. So this is a product which can definitely be helpful to you under makeup, and also at the time when you want to follow a really minimalistic kind of regime. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have missed my previous video, then go back to my playlist and see the video and let me know how you like it or not. Bye bye.